MMF AutoworX Car Show 2024. Got some cool stuff around here. We have a nice little Hi-Jet with a nice little body kit. I wish I could fit that on my Hi-Jet. Then we have some of the Taki houses here. Some old school Jaguar. Nice little Honda. '86s. Nice little Datsuns, these little flatbeds. I think these are Datsun Sunnies, I believe. Another Hi-Jet. I really like this body kit on it. Maybe I can do this to my Hi-Jet. But I think I need to inquire about these guys so they can probably do my powder coating. Nice little Evo. Another 86s spread around, little Miatas, Copens. A couple Evos here. Nice little R34 GTR. And we got 32, 34 Nismo, Euro R. Integra Type R, or Acura NSXs actually. 300 ZX, Silvia, ER34, Legacy, or Legum, VR4. Another 32 GTT. Then we got the little lineup of 34s here. Nice little Subaru Bug-Eye, Supra. Then we got a pair of Stagias. And then we have our little low gang, little Mazda Miatas, little Honda RS, little Subaru. Nice little GTR. We have a lineup of RX-7, R35, little slammed Toyota Prius, a pair of Priuses, and a little Lexus. Then we have a KTM. Huh? Right? Thank you. KTM 390. Nice little Suzuki. Honda RS. Pair of Hondas, couple Hondas. Nice little CRV. And we got all of our food trucks that are here. And then it's pretty much just all spread out all around. We got RX-7s in the middle, this little S15, There's a 350 over there, nice little Miata. Old school GTRs in the background there. This thing's sweet.
Like this big? The steel one is like this big. Wow.
Veilside 350Z. Nice little baby blue Miata. We got some Fords, GMC. Okinawa body, old school GTR. This one's pretty cool too, it has little police lights on it. Dude, I'm so intrigued with this Hi-Jet. I really want to do this to my jet. Got a Lamborghini Aventador out here. We got a Liberty Walk LP640. E-gear though, not a manual. A Huracan Evo, nice little mantis green. Then Liberty Walk, Battleship Gray, R35, weathered.